Rick with the best of everything. Looking at some JawayT 53261 wire strippers. These are pretty nice little strippers. They have a solid molded handle. They're tight. They're sharp. They're well marked. And everything that you need in the way of a wire stripper. I've just been out working on installing some lights. Came in because it's like 105 degrees out. It's hard on an old man. Well, I've had my break. Let's go back to work. JawayT 53261 from Jaway. Nice wire strippers. It's good to have some good tools to work with.